हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू टारगेट यूपीएससी। इन दिस वीडियो आई शो यू कि संकल्प मेंस बैच में हम कितना कॉम्प्रिहेंसिवली डेटा डायग्राम्स को इंटीग्रेट करते हैं, टॉपिक्स को लिंक करते हैं। टू स्टार्ट विद, अगर आपने न्यूज आर्टिकल्स देखे होंगे, देयर वाज अ न्यूज आर्टिकल विच सेड दैट 251 ऑफ द न्यूली इलेक्टेड एमपीज इन लोकसभा आफ्टर द 18th लोकसभा हैव क्रिमिनल चार्जेस। अगर ये बहुत बड़ा नंबर है एंड दिस शोज द राइज ऑफ क्रिमिनलाइजेशन ऑफ पॉलिटिक्स। एंड अगर आप इसको ग्राफिकली भी देखेंगे फ्रॉम लास्ट 4 जनरल इलेक्शन, आप देखेंगे कि 15th लोकसभा में वी हैव 30% ऑफ एमपीज हु आर क्रिमिनल। ये नंबर कंटिन्यूसली बढ़ता जा रहा है एंड नाउ इट हैज कम टू 46%। सिमिलरली नंबर ऑफ एमपीज फेसिंग हीनियस क्रिमिनल चार्जेस जैसे मर्डर हो गया, रेप हो गया, इनका नंबर भी बढ़ते जा रहा है, राइट फ्रॉम 14% इन 15th लोकसभा टू 31% इन 18th लोकसभा। अब ये सारा डेटा डायग्राम ग्राफिकल रिप्रेजेंटेशन आप आपके आंसर्स में लिख सकते हो। सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट है, यूपीएससी में पूछा जाएगा कि what is the impact of criminalization of politics. So whenever we have criminalization of politics where criminals enter into the political activities, they enter into elections and they win the election, what you observe is there is a very disturbing impact on the entire democratic process. The first and most important thing that happens is there is poor quality of debates, and once there is poor quality of debates, what happens is it leads to affecting the functioning of the parliament and leading to substandard laws. Second important जो effect देखते हैं, there is increase in the culture of violence leading to rise of crimes, क्योंकि those who are making laws and those who are going to be ministers are criminals, so effectively they would not take action against such activities. Third important thing is it affects accountability, leading to rise of corruption, and last and most important thing is it leads to erosion of democratic values, affecting free and fair elections. जब MPs and MLAs ही criminals है, तो what happens is they would not allow the elections to be conducted in a free and fair manner. तो ये major impact है of criminalization of politics. अगर आपको ये content अच्छा लगता है, do subscribe to the Sankalp Mains Batch. It is going to be one of the most comprehensive batches where we cover right from GS1 to GS4. हम आपको हर एक टॉपिक सिखाते हैं, आपके नोट्स बनवाते हैं, आंसर राइटिंग स्ट्रक्चरिंग पर सेशंस होते हैं, एंड लास्ट एंड मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट इज वी टेक 12 टेस्ट विद इवैल्यूएशन। तो ये कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव प्रोग्राम है। अगर आपको हमारा कंटेंट डेटा अच्छा लगता है, डू सब्सक्राइब टू द बैच। अगर आपके और भी कोई डाउट्स है, यू कैन कॉल मी ऑन द बिलो नंबर। थैंक यू।
I am Farhan sir. I have scored rank 369 in UPSC CSE 2023. My association with Target UPSC dates back to the time when I came across videos of Sudarshan sir on YouTube. It was a fair chance, happy go event that I came across his videos, and the association continued thereafter through my mains, where I joined Sankalp Mains Batch. Especially my association with sir was really important because I was already a working professional. I was working as a DSP in Jammu and Kashmir Police, and my work was really hectic and my work schedules were very tight. In that way, the Sankalp Mains Batch and the notes and everything that we prepared during the whole duration of course was really helpful to me. I came to know about Target UPSC just coming across a random video on YouTube. That was my first introduction to Target UPSC. In fact, one of the marathon videos, the 12-hour marathon videos, which is quite famous, I came across that. Regarding Sankalp Mains Batch, it was really effective for me. I'll especially say for somebody who had very limited time on his hand to prepare, especially considering a number of aspects in the Sankalp Mains Batch. The ones that I would like to mention here are the brainstorming session at the start of every topic or every question that we discussed. It was really good. The minute or two that we got really helped me in framing a lot of answers during my real examination in mains 2023. Apart from this, the other aspect of mains 2023 was that every student in his own would make his own individual notes. It's not a normal course wherein you are provided notes or you are given typed notes, but generally the sessions are very concise and compact, wherein you will complete 2 or 3 topics and you will have your handmade notes written at the end of the day. In the meantime, I also realized that there were a lot of chinks in my armor, as in a lot of topics in governance, a lot of topics in internal security, a lot of topics in disaster management, which I had not completed properly the last time around I wrote mains. And I think this time around with Sudarshan sir and his really novel way of covering all those topics which generally do not get covered while you are preparing on your own, or in fact even if you have taken coaching from a lot of institutes, it did help me. It did really help me. And to to precisely point out here, I still remember one of the questions in our GS2 paper that was related to Competition Commission of India, and I was really amazed while writing the answer during the exam that it had directly come from what we had studied in one of the sessions. So that definitely I would really like to appreciate the whole team for the sort of effort that they would put in into all of into getting all of those things ready so that students like us and aspirants like us get benefited. Apart from this, yes, the Sankalp Mains Batch would also involve a series of tests wherein we would take part tests and we would also take full tests. One good thing about these part tests, again, for somebody who did not have a lot of time on his hand, that these tests would be of 1.5 hours initially for a period of say 6 weeks or so, wherein I could, while I was preparing for my syllabus and covering my syllabus, I could sit in for the test and also complete the test, which could give me a reality check of the preparation that I was going through. And towards the end also, there were also a few additional sessions that were provided by a number of other faculties who gave a fair bit of idea about different topics in ethics, as well as the full-length test towards the end of the course. Considering that Target UPSC is in itself an institute which has just started off in the recent years, they have a very small team. And I guess having a small team was quite effective for me because I could get up-close mentorship with Atharv sir, who could evaluate my papers and also send concrete feedback when I could improve on the mistakes that I was committing during that had committed in the previous attempt, and I was committing while writing the answers. One thing in all of this which was really beneficial to me was the fact that which I felt personally was, while you write a test series of an institute which is very reputed, generally the feedback that is provided is not in toto very proper. Wherein here I could see that the feedback would always be on the right side of the scheme, where I felt that I could really improve upon the things that I had written in the paper and how I could continue with it in the future. Apart from this, I would really like to thank the whole team in itself. I know they've started new. I had a very early association with the team, and I really wish and pray for them to grow by leaps and bounds. And really thankful for them to have helped a person like me who was very tight on his schedule, tight on his duties, performing his duties on the field. If somebody like me could get benefited from the course, I hope there are a number of aspirants out there who have more time than me, and they can definitely get benefited from courses like these. I'd like to again thank Target UPSC, the whole team, and in particular Sudarshan sir and my mentor Atharv sir. Thank you.